What are y'all doing? Giggly. What are you wearing on your head? See, you kind of got bigger. What are y'all doing? Be nice. I need to learn what 10s are. I'm a 10, so I need to see what a 10 is. Over 50% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Please go down there, click subscribe. That way I can bring you more awesome entertainment. Every time you hit that like button, I'm going to send you luck, like through my body, through my soul, into your spirit. You're going to get it, guys. You deserve it. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to comment what your favorite penny item is. Sasha's finding the mice. So this is just some junk. It's just thrown in here. If it flies out, it flies out. This is my shed. It's a bit, it was horrible up in here. I found my missing shoe. Do you see any penny items in here, guys? This is china cabinet stuff. This is stuff from my office. These are decorations I never put up this year because I didn't know where it was. Halloween. They were all pennies. Oh, my penny items. This is for another Airbnb if we ever do it. Oh man, I missed another pillow. Go put that in there. It's beautiful, beautiful. S23, purple dot, pint jar green dot. What's down there? Shoot. Stay. Oh, I think this is this? Oh, what is this stuff? I thought I went through everything. School stuff. Junk. What's this? Tablecloth. This is pretty. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. We got two of them. We just got these gold ones. Okay. Beautiful. Cough drops. We got some collegiate and something else. I don't know what this is. Is this a record? Alright. Hey, this is yard sale stuff. Put this in the back of the car. Guys, I did not vlog, but I just emptied out my shed for the Airbnb stuff that we are not going to keep. I found some little drinky things. I wonder how old they are. Would you drink them? They're Yoo-hoos.
Your daddy's. We'll see if we can find them. That's the wrong one.
Alright guys, this is what we got done. We got the microwave out. We got this little chair bed out and put together, and we got this chair put together, and that is it. Oh.
A few moments later.
Let me see it. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I'm getting traumatized.
You're not getting traumatized. You're gonna be a
have nightmares.
babe. You're gonna be a surgeon, so get used to it.
No, I'm not. Who
Yes,
said?
you are.
No, who said?
You said.
Who did?
Yeah, you
I'm
said.
gonna get traumatized.
You're not gonna get traumatized.
I'm gonna get
You're old enough to understand.
I'm gonna get traumatized.
No, you're not.
Yeah, this thing doesn't look like.
It's hard to tell. It's pointed outward. It's hard to see. Oh yeah. Does it look like it's broken? Ooh.
It's really, really hard to tell on this
It
screen.
is hard to tell.
One of the
Attic doors.
attic,
Aluminum attic
you know,
doors.
attic.
Gotcha.
It thing, yeah, folded on. What if you had an iPad screen that big?
This looks like it sucks. Oh, there we go. So that is my day here at our awesome hacienda. This is totally the next video you totally need to watch. Please subscribe.